So now we have here our piece of board, and my finger is going through the LED. Yeah, the first step of a project is to just dump the program, and after writing the program we need to check whether the program is properly running without any errors. That's what we are showing here. See, it's showing 0 errors and 0 warnings. So thus our program is successful as far as dumping is concerned. And right now we have just checked the program, and now it's dumping the program into the controller to make the controller work for our project, for our desired project. So the dumping is going to happen now. So it's just collecting all the files and then putting it into the memory of the controller. Yes, everything is working on well. The main aim of our project is to just work for our desired one. Before that, yeah, let it dump well. Yes, yeah, the dumping is successful, and now we are just gonna look into our project. So LCD, yeah, we're just gonna run the program. Shall we start now? Yeah, the number has come, and now we are just gonna look into our sensor, that is infrared sensor. And now see, an object is crossing. For example, it's a finger. See, it's crossing now. Yeah, and now you can see the LCD counts. So we have set a reference 1, that is up to 400 volts, and after it reaches that, it stops. So that's, and we can just show it in our CRO, that is cathode ray oscilloscope. And for example, we just show it from the beginning. Initially, say if an object crosses, then high voltage pulses are being generated. After some time, the voltage is dropping down to 0. That is, whenever the object crosses, this is being activated, and after that the sensor just detects no objects, and that's why it is 0. So this is the main aim. And once again, we are just trying to show it. An object is crossing, and then see, the high voltage is being generated, and after 400 counts it's dropping down to 0. This is very simple. Now we just gonna see to the length of a package, whether it is small or big. And now you can see the length is, the length of a package is okay, that is, it's small. Whenever the package is too small or moderate or something, if it crosses through the IR, then it tells the package is okay, that is, it's small. So for example, now an object is crossing, it is just taking some time, and you can see it has taken only 3 milliseconds, and so the package is okay. So that says the package is too small. So for example, the package is crossing for some while. See, it's just counting 12, 13, 14. We have set a program in such a way that if it exceeds 30, that means the package is too big, then it displays the package as big. See, this is how it happens. So now we can detect whether the object is small or big using our project. Thank you. So this is our last part of our project. The previous one we have just explained how the package's size looks like, and if the package is too big or too small. If now we are just going to see if the packet is too small or too big, and if it is too big, in this case the servo motor drops out. Just we are going to explain that practically. You can just see the LCD display, which is just showing the length 0. Now an object is going to cross, that is the package in our case. If it crosses, then we have just set a threshold of 20. If it crosses 20, then the stepper motor, the servo runs and then drops the package. So this is our last step of our project. Thank you. For example,
if it's not, the motor will not turn.
Will not run, and instead the package goes through the belt.
If it's higher than 19, the servo motor will turn only if the package is going out the light barrier. You see?
Yeah.
So in the first part, the motor should turn when some package is coming through the light barrier, and I've programmed it so that it will turn for a few seconds, so that we could save energy, that the conveying belt is going in some standby modus. In our case, the DC motor will not turn, so I'm showing you this on this LED. So if I cross the light barrier, you see the infrared light here. Normally you can't see it because the human eye can see it. So I'm crossing this, and you see the LED is going on. So now my package is arriving on the second light barrier, and we have here some LCD display which is saying us how long the package is, because if the package is too longer, I programmed it, for example, for 19. So the servo motor will turn and put the package down. Pull the package down, yes. So the language is okay now. So if I cross, and the language is okay. So it says it was okay. And if I cross and the length of the package is too big, so we have now here it's measuring, it's too big because it's higher than 19. The servo motor will turn. So I'm showing you this again, what's happening. The package is coming through the light barrier, the second light barrier. It's measuring the length of the package, and if it's higher than 19, so the package is too big, and the servo will only turn if the package is going out of the light barrier. So this would be, for example, this. Okay, and if the package was okay, it will go this way and in some other